Morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. I'm Jenny from the editorial office of Carbon Footprints. And thank you for your participation in today's academic report. This academic report features Dr. Beijia Huang from the College of Environment and Architecture, University of Shanghai for Science and Technology, China, as the guest editor. And the topic is Modernizing Cement Manufacturing Leads to Substantial Environment Gains. The moderator today is Dr. Jing Zhenren from the Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering, Hong Kong Polytechnic University in China. Now, I will provide a brief introduction to Dr. Ren. Dr. Ren published over 260 SCI journal papers in the top journals such as Nature Communications, Nature Food, and the Innovation, etc. And Dr. Ren ranked as the world's top 2% scientist in Stanford's list since 2020. He is the winner of the 2022 Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Science Prize for Innovation, Research, and Education. He secured more than 20 projects, including Research Grants Council, General Research Fund and Early Career Scheme, Procure France and Hong Kong Joint Research Scheme, the Environment and Conservation Fund of Hong Kong, the MTR Research Fund, and Corporate Commission Project. We're very looking forward to Dr. Ren's moderation and Dr. Huang's presentation, as well as the exchange of ideas and sharing of the latest research results in the field of modernizing cement manufacturing. After the presentation, there will be about 15 to 20 minutes for questions. You're welcome to leave your questions in the comments section, and the moderator will invite answers according to the order of the questions, and we will also turn on the microphones for you. Next, we'll hand over the time to Dr. Jing Zhenren.
Okay, thank you. Nice to meet all of you. I don't know, should I say good afternoon, good morning, or good evening to every one of you. Now it is 8 o'clock Beijing time. So let me briefly introduce the journal. I will use around 5 minutes to introduce the journal and also Professor Huang, as well as her talk. So carbon footprint, it is promising new launched journal in 2022. It is a golden open access and quarterly published journal. Now the peer review model is single blind. Okay, so now we have recruited more than 50 editors from more than 40 universities in 80 countries. The article processing charge now is $1,300 USD. But we would like to share good news. Currently, all the authors can enjoy 100% fees waiver. So these are the aims and scope of this journal, Carbon Footprints. Okay, this journal it publish all aspects of the knowledge, not only about the emission of greenhouses, okay, but also focus on low carbon energy transformation and air pollution, climate change. In addition, this journal usually launched a lot of online activities. Especially, we invite the top tier educators of climate change, of carbon footprint, of low carbon energy systems, and air pollution to give talk. Today, it's our great honor to invite Dr. Wang from University of Shanghai for Science and Technology. Dr. Huang has published more than 30 papers in the top tier journals, including One Earth and ESD Journal Clean Production, as well as some other top tier journals. So research mainly focus on about some basic science, especially about carbon footprint, life cycle assessment, material flow
演的这叫
analysis.
啥呀？就是麦香鸡块儿，麦香
Today, the topic will mainly focus on about modernizing cement manufacturing lead to substantial environmental gains. Today, Dr. Huang will combine different tools together, such as regression modeling, life cycle assessment, scenario analysis, to analyze the evolution and the distribution of cement production technology in China from 1996 to 2021. After the lecture, you will have around 50 to 20 minutes for Q&A session. Okay, you're welcome to write down all your questions in the chat room. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now let's warmly welcome Dr. Huang for her talk. Thank you.